On my new trash found table, I'm going to show you what's dismal in this country. I have the same chain right now in my truck. I put it on, I bought it 2009. I put it on maybe 2010 or 11. I had it for a while. Sitting on my floor. The C99. Mine is made in USA. This one is now made. Really? So you're saying in America we cannot produce something that contains this. Hold on, if I can open it again. And it's just a loose, sloppy chain. Just looking at it, it really is. The links are all sloppy, nothing like the one I have. So in America, we cannot produce this. You wonder why these new OEM cars, they're going these timing chains, because they're probably made there too. It's just super. It's just some of the links are just super sloppy, like nothing like the ones I had. And people complain about this chain fitting loose. I see why, just looking at it. Mine's stamped USA. It's still a good chain. I can reuse it with roller style cam and crank gear. So that's what I'm going to be doing to save money. Cloyes. Quality since 1921. You know where this thing's made? You know where it's made? You know they can't even make a gear in America anymore? You know where it's made? I'm returning this shit. You know where it's made? So you look at the thing. If you look at the thing visually, these drill holes, they're off. They're off over here, and they're wider over there. If you look very closely, it's off. Or not really over here. It's over here on this side. It's not even the same. Then this shit's punched out like crap. It's rough. It's just I'm not running. It used to be powdered, and now it's just some machine gear. I bought an NOS one instead. This is for a roller cam. You see it sticks out more for the snout. It's interesting. It's interesting. It's going back. There's an older number too on the gear too. The one I have, S coming. The other crank gear though made it loose. It looks a whole lot better. Got the grease on it and everything. 22. That's probably made in China too. What's the date on this one? What shit? Can't make a gear in America anymore. That's probably made in China too. The other one I would imagine. I just didn't update the label. You'll never know the difference. What shit? It's rough, man. Machine rough. Nothing like the other gear I had. It's freaking rough. Even on the edges and shit. Not that it really matters, but see over there and shit? Look at that. Teeth marks. Smooth over here. Like, I'm just analyzing the part over here, going like, what happened? It's like rolled over edges. You'll need to like file that shit. I'm not dealing with it. NOS parts, when they run out, you're screwed. So this whole electric future crap they're pushing, they're really pushing it hard, and they're really giving us garbage for more money than we've ever been spending. So send it back.